Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing with issue 73 of our R2 build. We have our parts here, and I have absolutely no idea what this is. So why don't we crack it open? Let's see what we got. Alright, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have 2 internal supports and 4 spacer rods and a whole mess of screws. Alright, we're going to begin by installing the spacer rods, and you're going to need 4 of these 8mm silver screws that came with this issue. And what we're going to do here is, if you take a look at the frame that we've built so far, you can see there are these larger holes. There's actually 4 of them. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these screws here, we're going to punch it through from the bottom, just like that. And then you can just screw this on. Make it nice and tight. Use a screwdriver if you have to. And we're going to do that 4 times. Alright, and this is what it should look like with all of those spacers installed. Alright, this next bit's a little more tricky. It's kind of difficult to see, but if you take a look, you can see the 2 ends of these pieces are a little different. You've got these smaller holes, and then you've got these larger holes here. What you want to do is take the ends with the larger holes. These are called clearance holes. And you want to place it on the frame like so. Okay, and what they're going to do is they're going to line up with these 2 holes here and these 2 holes here, so that the writing is facing towards the outside, and this little piece is going to be facing towards the inside. We're going to use the thicker 2.5mm wide, 4mm long screws, silver, to hold it in place, just like that. And we'll do this for both pieces. Alright, and it should look just like this when complete. And that actually finishes off this stage. And there you go, stage 73 is complete. Not much to do, but it does make a big difference in the size of this frame right here. So things are definitely looking up. I can't wait to see what comes next. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.